It was always a dream of mine to have a kitchen that's functional and not typical. I chose German Kitchen Center because I was looking for a kitchen that was nicely designed with lots of spaces, but the spaces that you cannot visually see. It was basically hidden, but yet it was there for me to use. This is the apartment that was 40 years old, and we decided that we needed to change out everything and make sure that the kitchen becomes part of the living area. And at the same time, the kitchen was not to be a traditional type of kitchen with lots of cabinets and lots of just handles and doorknobs. The process started quite simple. I mean, a visit, and the next thing I saw was basically the design, the layout of the kitchen. We started with just the kitchen, but because of the way the kitchen was designed, we also expanded it into the dining room area and then into the foyer. Everything flows well, and from that design we were able to basically lay out the remaining of the apartment, which at the end really made a big difference. And it is actually what I have always loved and what I have always desired. The timeline was long, but I can tell you that at the end it was well worth it. The timing is such that everything that has to be designed here has to be double-checked and triple-checked and again checked before it gets sent to the production in Germany. And as much as you don't want to wait, I think it is worth the wait, because at the end, what you see here did not have to be moved even a centimeter. Everything about it is just perfect.